two of the world's top AI avatar tools, but only one may be right for you, HeyGen or Synthesia.io. I tested both, and the results may surprise you. Let's dive in. In this quick showdown, we'll compare HeyGen and Synthesia based on real user experience, feature depth, ease of use, and pricing. If you're creating content, marketing videos, or tutorials, stay with me to find out which AI video tool deserves your time and money. Let's start with HeyGen. Clean UI. Drag and drop timeline. You can select templates, drop in avatars, voiceovers, even add scenes with transitions. It feels like Canva met an AI film studio. Now over to Synthesia. It's a bit more minimal, slide-based like PowerPoint. Intuitive, yes, but not as visually creative as HeyGen. Great for corporate training, though maybe less flexible for storytellers. HeyGen shines with hyper-realistic avatars and lip sync that's shockingly accurate. And you can even upload your own voice or clone one. Synthesia's avatars? Polished but feel slightly robotic at times. They do offer 120+ languages and accents, so for global reach, they've got range. HeyGen adds cool features like face swap, custom brand kits, and multi-scene storytelling. It feels built for content creators. Synthesia focuses more on internal communication, onboarding, HR training, presentations, simple, safe, and professional. But here's where it gets interesting: the pricing. HeyGen starts with a free trial, and paid plans begin at $24 a month, offering 1 minute of video. Higher tiers give you team access and branding tools. Synthesia? It starts at $22.50 a month billed annually, but limits your credits and exports. More stable for business, less flexible for creators. So, which one should you choose? If you're a creator, educator, or marketer craving creative freedom, HeyGen's your pick. If you're in HR, L&D, or corporate training, Synthesia might be safer. Test both. Links in the description. And if this helped you decide, drop a like and hit subscribe for more quick AI breakdowns.